Hey folks, Lawrence Reason here, Carvings by Lawrence. So today this is going to be my project. I guess there's a lot of things I could do with this. We got a bunch of branches sticking out. We got this stump. We got an outcropping of wood, some branches there. I kind of like to let the log dictate what I'm going to be doing. And I think what I'm hearing from this guy, I think he wants to be a bunch of wolves here. So a couple howling, maybe this one will be looking straight ahead. We'll see what else we can dig out of this guy. It's all cleared up now, and we just gotta let it dry, and it's ready to go to the customer. So the customer asked me if I would be able to hollow out a spot that he could insert his late wife's urn into. So what I did is I made a little hatch and hollowed it out inside, and now he will be able to put his wife's urn into there and screw it shut and seal it off, and then this will become a monument for her. He said she really liked black wolves, so the main wolf had to be black. So that's how that came to be. That's the little story behind this one. Thanks for looking. God bless.